In MuleSoft 4, API KIT continues to play a role in simplifying API development, especially for REST APIs. However, some terminology changes and updates have been implemented. Here's a breakdown of what you need to know about API KIT Router and API Console in MuleSoft 4. API KIT Router. While the term API KIT Router is no longer explicitly used in official documentation, the functionality it represented still exists. In Mule 4, API routing is handled by the REST router component within the API kit for REST module. This component automatically handles routing incoming requests to appropriate backend flows based on the API specification, RAML or OpenAPI. You don't need to configure manual routing logic separately, as API KIT does the routing based on the defined API contract. API Console. The functionality of the API Console remains similar in Mule 4. The console is now known as the OpenAPI Explorer or RAML Explorer depending on the API specification used, OpenAPI or RAML. You can still access the console by running your API KIT project and appending console to the base URL of your API. The console provides features like interactive documentation, request, response testing, and API resource visualization. Additional information. While API KIT continues to be usable in Mule 4, newer tools like Flow Joiner are also available for creating complex data flows. The official documentation for API KIT in Mule 4 has moved to this location, invalid URL removed. You can find more information about the REST router component here, invalid URL removed. For the OpenAPI Explorer, refer to invalid URL removed. And for the RAML Explorer, check this out, invalid URL removed. I hope this clarifies the concept of API KIT Router and API Console in the context of MuleSoft 4. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions.